Okay, so these questions here are asking us to apply chain and quotient rule. So when I first start doing this, it's the derivative of the inside of the bracket, which will become e of x in this case, multiplied by the derivative of the outside of the bracket. So that'll be 3 bracket 2. Then all I have to do is put this middle part back in. Now I can rewrite it nicely. So it'll become 3 e to the power of x bracket ex plus 1 to the power of 2. And that is our derived form. This one here is going to require us to use quotient rule because they're dividing each other. So firstly, I'm going to start by defining u as sine x and deriving that one. Then I'm going to define v as x squared and I'm going to derive that. Okay, so now I'm right to put it into quotient rule. So quotient rule is the derivative is given as v u dash minus u v dash all over v squared. So now I'm going to simply put my values into the equation. All over x squared squared. So now I'm going to write it out more simply. So it'll be x squared sine x minus 2x cos x all over x to the power of 4. Now in the question it says state your or give your answer in simplest form. I can factorize an x out of here. So when I factorize an x out the front of these brackets, it'll cancel that x and it'll cancel the squared to just make x there. So on the top of that, I'll be left with x sine x minus 2 cos x, and then this one will cancel out that one, making the denominator of this fraction x to the power of 3.